I will talk about how can you start lesson on your Duolingo app. Just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just found here start here. Just click on search. So before that, you have to get here coins to start, and like you see, it's going to show for you like this. So then here can you select uh sorry, can you select here the correct images here? No, fam, I'm going to click here on woman here. You click on check. So like you see now, it's right like here, and here can you continue here, and you will find here uh, next questions here. So and here can you select the correct images. Laffy, that's mean girl in French. I'm going to click in the girl. Click on check. Then it's going to take you to continue here to another questions. And here, so can you just found all questions here on your Duolingo app. You just select and click on check, then it's going to add with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.